FLA Flu is an association football match between cross-town rivals Flamengo and Fluminense. Matches take place in the 78,000-seat Maracanã Stadium, located near downtown Rio de Janeiro, in the city's Maracanã district. The world record football match attendance between clubs is AFLA 0-0 Flu with 194,603 in 1963. The moniker FLA Flu was coined by the journalist Mário Filho during the professionalization of Rio de Janeiro's football. Flamengo is the most successful team in Rio State Championship by one championship. Flamengo has won it 33 times while Fluminense has won 31. Flamengo has won 6 Brazilian national championships, as defined by the CBF, the 1987 Copa União and 3 Brazilian Cups. Fluminense has won 4 Brazilian national championships and 1 Brazilian Cup. Fluminense has won the Copa Rio, which it claims to be equivalent to an intercontinental club tournament. Flamengo has won 1 Libertadores Cup and 1 Intercontinental Cup, both in 1981. Fluminense is the only team in the world that holds the IOC's Olympic Cup, a non-competitive award for distinguished service in upholding the ideals of the Olympic movement and to recognize the particular merits of institutions or associations and the services rendered to sport. Conquered in 1949, the rivalry between these two clubs began in October 1911, when a group of dissatisfied players from Fluminense left the club and went to Flamengo, which at the time had no football department. The first FLA Flu ever was played the following year, on July 7, 1912 at Laranjeiras Stadium. Fluminense won this match 3-2, with 800 people in attendance. The FLA Flu matches are mentioned in Lamartine Babo's unofficial, but very popular, Flamengo anthem composed in 1942. Important matches. On November 23, 1941, Flamengo and Fluminense disputed the Campeonato Carioca final at Gavia Stadium. The stadium is located in Lagoa neighborhood. The match was nicknamed Lagoa's FLA Flu. The first half of the match ended 2-1 to Fluminense. Flamengo's Pirio scored a goal in the 39th minute of the second half of the match, but Fluminense only needed a draw in the match, and won the competition. 15,312 people watched the match. In 1991, the Campeonato Carioca final was again disputed between Flamengo and Fluminense. The first leg, played on December 13, ended in a 1-1 draw. In the second leg, played on December 19, Flamengo beat Fluminense 4-2. The Flamengo goals were scored by Uidmar Gaucho Senior and Junior. Both Fluminense goals were scored by Ezio. Flamengo's Gaucho was the top goal scorer of that competition. In the Campeonato Carioca history, Fluminense beat Flamengo to the title in 1919, 1936, 1941, 1969, 1973, 1983, 1984 and 1995. Flamengo beat Fluminense in 1963, 1972 and 1991. The Carioca had many formats over the years. One of the most famous matches between the two clubs is the 1995 Campeonato Carioca final stage match, played on June 25 of that year at Maracanã Stadium. In this match, Fluminense's Renato Gaucho scored a belly goal, and his team won the match 3-2. Fluminense finished the stage with 33 points, winning the title, and Flamengo finished 1 point behind its rival, losing the championship in the year of its centenary. The 2004 Campeonato Carioca had 2 matches played between Flamengo and Fluminense. On February 1, Flamengo won by 4-3, after Fluminense scored 3-1 in the first half. On February 21, Flamengo beat Fluminense 3-2, which gave Flamengo the Taça title of that year. Highest attendances in FLA Flu. Flamengo, Fluminense 0-0, 194,603, December 12, 1963. Flamengo, Fluminense 2-3, 171,599, June 15, 1969. Flamengo, Fluminense 0-0, 155,116, May 16, 1976. Flamengo, Fluminense 0-1, 153,520, December 16, 1984. Flamengo, Fluminense 0-2, 138,599, August 2, 1970. Flamengo, Fluminense 1-1, 138,557, April 22, 1979. Flamengo, Fluminense 5-2, 137,002, April 23, 1972. Flamengo, Fluminense 2-1, 136,829, September 7, 1972. Flamengo, Fluminense 3-3, 136,606, October 18, 1964. Flamengo, Fluminense 1-0, 124,432, September 23, 1979. Statistics. As of September 2012, latest match.